Okay, let's talk about the radio. Make sure the radio on this switch is to the end positions, which is downward. It might be shift this way, so make sure it's downward. Very important. This is your inverted pitch switch. That means you will flip the helicopter upside down if you do it the other way. So it will be at the end positions. The knobs doesn't matter. You don't need to use the knob at this moment. This is for adjustments. So you can leave the knob any way you want. That's not affecting the performance of the radio. The gear switch has no effect to the helicopter as well. This is all disabled at this moment. Even if you're flying turn on, it doesn't affect the helicopters. Now, also very important is the throttle switch must be all the way down. Your trimmer is all the way down. This trimmer up and down go all the way down. The rest of the trimmer is in the middle, pretty much in the middle for the rest of the three switch. Your power switch on and off, make sure it's off positions. You have a meter. This measures how much battery you have on the radio. So it'll go down as time progresses. The antenna bends backward to put away or make it up when you're ready to fly. The back of the radio come with a charger jack, which we will never use this at this moment. They come with a training cable. It's also not available yet at this moment. So these two, you don't need to touch it at this moment. Open up the batteries. Notice it's an AA batteries requires. So you do need 8 AA batteries. Make sure it is alkaline rated. Push it down. Now slide the cover off. There's 4 on the top. Unplug the cable, which is the connectors, and pull out the battery holders. So you have 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. So make sure you put all 4 of them in. Once you put in the batteries, well, I have one here. It's already have all the batteries inside. So once you have all the battery, it'll be like this. So once you have a battery in, plug in the jack first. There's only one way to go in. If you try to do the other way, it won't come in, it won't go in. So don't force it. So carefully put back the batteries to the radio. And then close the cover. Make sure it's tight so it don't come out. So now your radio is ready to go. But again, before you play, make sure your trimmer on this side is all the way down and the left joystick is all the way down. The function of the radio is basically this one here is your control of the motor speed. This is up for the helicopter to go up. At the same time, you have the pedal switch, which is left and right. This will turn the helicopter's 360 degrees rotations, which also called the yaw control. So up and down on the helicopter fly mode, and 360 turns, yaw control. On this side of the joystick, which is the right side, is your forward, your reverse flight, and your pitch left and pitch right. So this is the control for the cyclics. of your control helicopters. Again, forward flight, backward, pitch left, and pitch right. Your cyclic control.